What's up everyone, welcome to another reaction on my channel. Firstly, thank you so much for 200 freaking subscribers. I just very recently began this channel, so I'm really grateful for all of those who have decided to support my channel. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. I promise you I will be coming up with a lot of fun reaction videos for you guys. Anyways, today I will be reacting to another EXO video. This is like a guide to EXO. I think it's called Introduction to EXO 2020, so it's pretty recent. I saw in many of your comments that there are other popular older guides, but they're just not relevant now because of course there are a lot of updated information. So I'm hoping this guide would be a good start. So yeah, I thought it's high time I get to know the band EXO a bit more about the members. Also, in some of my previous videos I did get requests of doing reactions to individual member guides, so comment down below if you would be interested in me reacting to individual member guides as well. Anyways, enough talking, let's quickly get into this guide. Who is EXO? I'm really excited for this. Ooh, what song is that? Nine members, April 2012. Wow, so that's 8 years. These are all the members. I can recognize all of them now. After reading a lot of comments in my previous EXO reactions, I decided it's high time I get to know their names a bit more. So yeah, I'm definitely getting better at recognizing them. Member intros, yes. Ah, this is Monster. Suho. Chunyeon. He's the lead vocalist, 1991. Oh, that was too fast. He's 5'8". He has his own Instagram. Oh, do all the members have their own Instagram accounts? That's cool. I didn't know all agencies allow that. I know for a fact Big Hit doesn't allow that because BTS and TXT don't have their own individual Instagram accounts. So this is pretty cool. 7 years? Wow, that's a long time, right? As a trainee? Whew, that's dedication. Self-portrait. Dad jokes. Ooh, I like this song. Guardian. Ooh, fashion. Wait, is that a serious thing? He wants to be future CEO of SM Entertainment? Acted in multiple musicals. Wow. What is this song? I mean, of course, I haven't heard even 10% of the EXO discography, but I'm guessing this is a solo song by Suho, maybe? Xiumin. How do you pronounce that? Sorry guys if I'm butchering his name, let me know how to pronounce that. He has his own Instagram handle, lead vocalist, lead dancer, 1990 and 5'8". He's the oldest, okay. More dad jokes. Oh, he's in the military. That's so cute. Skilled at soccer and football. Oh, I thought that would be Chen. I think that's his name, right? Because I think in my Monster reaction, I got a lot of comments saying that he can hit the highest notes or he hits the highest notes. Maybe I think both of them do, but apparently he can hit the highest note. I have to listen to all these songs. Ooh. Lay, my man Lay, you're lit. Again, individual accounts. He's the main dancer, lead vocalist, 1991, 5'10". Oh, he's taller than the other two. Only Chinese member of EXO. Ooh, what is this video? He looks so cool. Produces his own music. Ah. Is that pink water behind? Oh, he can speak English? Wow, he's so talented. Can play multiple instruments. I just have to mention because I've only heard Lay's Lit and that's very different to what I'm hearing right now from him. So that's pretty cool. Even in that video, I remember saying that he seems to be a very interesting artist. No, no, baby, no, no. Inactive since 2018. Wow, I can't wait to react to all these songs. Baekhyun. This is the guy who got me into EXO, right? Byun Baekhyun. Oh, so his real name is also Baekhyun. 1992, 5'9". He's the main vocalist. I'm surprised he's not like one of the lead dancers because he dances pretty well. I think all of them do, but I've seen him, I think in Love Shot, right? The second chorus, he was the center and he killed it. So I'm surprised he's not one of the lead dancers. Funniest, noisiest and cutest member. That's so adorable. Voted by EXO members. Mood maker of the group. Co-creative director and face of streetwear brand. Leader of K-pop supergroup Super M. Wow, what is all this? I'm so unaware of these things, so I'm so sorry. He has his own YouTube channel. What? Okay, I'm actually going to subscribe and watch his vlogs. Loves playing video games. Wow, how talented is he? Chen, yes. Kim Jong-dae. Kim Jong-dae. He's the main vocalist. 992, 5'8". Playful personality. Best vocalist in EXO. Wow. Currently engaged to his fiancée and expecting. Oh, okay. In one of the comments I read that he actually already has a baby girl. I think she was delivered in April, if I'm not wrong. So this video was made before that. But that's so cute. He has a baby girl. Oh. Wow, beautiful goodbye. Maybe bye. What is that vocal? I got goosebumps. My eyes are filling up. I'm not even exaggerating. It was just an involuntary physiological response to his vocals. Let me just rewind. 1 second. I know this is not like a vocal reaction or anything, but I think this deserves a rewind. I just closed my eyes and I forgot it's a guide. King of OSTs. Oh, even he has a YouTube channel. Chanyol. Oh yes, Blue Eyes guy from Tempo. Main rapper. Love his rap. It really stood out to me. 6'1". Wow, is he the tallest member? He looks so handsome in this. Tallest member of EXO. Guessed it. Passionate about many things. So he sings as well, not just raps. Producer name is Loey or L-O-E-Y. Wow, are all the EXO members YouTubers as well? That is so sick. His voice, love his deep voice. Animal lover, oh! That's so sweet. Multiple tattoos. D.O. Do Kyung-soo. Main vocalist, yes. He's the ad-lib guy. That's how I remember him from all my previous EXO reactions. I can just sense I'm going to get crazy vocals even in this. Agile runs, yes. Oof. His ad-libs in every song till now that I've reacted to. Aww. Oh, even he's enlisting in the military. Most developed actor. What? I did not expect that. Has won multiple prestigious acting awards. Has a professional chef's license. How talented are these guys? This is mind-blowing. Like, hats off, seriously. Guy, the dancer, right? Also the center. I could make out he's pretty tall in the videos as well. 1994. Does that mean he's the youngest? Studied ballet when he was young. Wow. This is so adorable. Are you serious? His fans say that he resembles a bear, so he collects bears. What does that even mean? Like stuffed toys? But that's so adorable. Global Gucci ambassador. Best dressed man. Wow. That's so adorable. Family Guy. What is Super M? Please let me know. Oh, I've heard of some of these members, not all of them. Oh, Sehun. Main dancer, main rapper. Yeah, he's the one who rapped with Chanyeol, right? For Monster. He's also 6 feet, 1994. Is he younger to Kai? Ah, he is the Maknae. Very shy but mischievous. So cute. Sometimes acts like an old man. What does that even mean? Credited songwriter and choreographer. Oh, he choreographs as well. Successful model. Do all the EXO members have like a very successful side career as well, other than being an idol? This is so impressive. Wow. Heaviest drinker in EXO. What? Huge fan base in China. Subunits. EXO CBX. Oh, so it's with the initials of the members' names. So there's Chen, Baekhyun and Xiumin. Debuted in October 31st, 2016. Wow, there's so much content that I have to react to. I'm so excited. EXO SC, 2 members, 2019. Oh, so this is pretty recent. Sehun and Chanyeol, 2 rappers. Ooh, this is such a cool vibe. Yes, I heard EXO-K, EXO-M. All your comments have prepped me in Mandarin. Suho, Baekhyun, Chanyeol, Dio, Kai and Sehun. Xiumin, Lei, Chen, Chris, Luhan and Tao. Oh, even Chen is in EXO-M. Isn't he Korean? I'm confused. Is this not divided into the Korean members are in EXO-K and the Chinese members are in EXO-M? Because as far as I know, Lei is the only Chinese member. Wow, I'm so confused. Ooh, that's pretty impressive. Yes, Chris, Luhan and Tao left. Yes, this I heard. Prevented Lei from participating beginning in early 2017. That would have been so sad for like all the fans at that time, right? It would have been so heartbreaking. I can imagine it. Ooh, that's really impressive. Wow. Yes. What's next? Solo projects, I guess. This is so nice. I love how they've actually literally helped me out by just putting what else I should react to next. Oh, they've given recommendations for individual members. After finishing this video, I'll actually go over the list and see what I have to check out next. I'm so glad I watched this video because I feel I at least have like a basic understanding of what EXO is and know the members by their names. Just by this video, I can sense that there's loads and loads of EXO content that I personally really want to consume. So let me know if you have any favorites that I should react to next immediately. Whichever comment gets the most likes, I will just react to that. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying my reactions and would like to see more EXO content. And that's it. I will see you guys in my next reaction video. Bye!